Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know.
So it's lunchtime and it's day 2 of the Supermodel Universe festivities here in Lapu-Lapu City, and the candidates are here at Booodotz Seafood Grill to experience what a Boodle Fight is.
Make everything disappear, lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear.
So the next step of our candidates of the Supermodel Universe is the home care center for children here in Lapu-Lapu City. So they'll spend some time with the orphans and do some charity work.
Hello everyone. Everyone, you are so sweet. I want to tell you that I love you because you're children. First of all, you must be very kind, helping each other. Don't forget to be careful for your family, for your friends, for the other people on the street. You must go to school and listen the big people around you. That's for me, from my heart. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So guys, if you want to visit the kids here in the home care for children, they're located at Tugas, of Lapu-Lapu City. So if you want to help out, yeah, just visit them anytime. been fun 2 days of Supermodel Universe activities. And now I'm gonna ask the candidates about what are their highlights so far after 2 days, busy days of going around Lapu-Lapu. And so the highlights so far in the past 2 days.
Meeting all these people and all different nationalities and becoming one.
We our dinner last night because we all became closer and have a good relationship with each other.
The night activity, when we did dancing last night with the guests, and of course, we know each other very well by now.
Activity was a photo shoot at the beach. It was called Happy Beach because it was only about positive vibes, positive people, and a positive experience. And it was an amazing place. I don't know how to describe it elsewhere.
I liked so much the charity activities because it was so kindly, so heartly, and I feel my mind because they're kids. They're so sweet, and they present me happiness.
The fashion show and eat a lot. Yeah.
It's very delicious this food today and we love it. Thank you.
Just today when I go to the park with the resort park because I like so much the party when I see the girls dancing and the boys dancing and all the people go dancing. Is better, and the food I like so much.
Personally, I like the charities. The charities we did today all day, it was really interesting, you know, especially the first charity with the little kids, you know, I really like the little kids. Shakira like them too.
And I like so much when I go to the Happy Beach.
Yes, when we went to the parachute.
Oh, the parasailing!
I like so much.
When we go to find children and when we dance Happy Beach all the time will be in my memory.
Ended up day 2 here at Orosia Restaurant in the Cebu Yacht Club, and I think the candidates were so excited and happy with their experiences so far, and tomorrow will be another day where we go around the islands and go snorkeling and go island hopping. Hopefully the weather will be well, but that's the end of day 2 for Supermodel Universe 2018. Thank you so much for watching, and please watch the future videos of our Supermodel Universe 2018 because Kalami, Cebu will be in full coverage of the side events as well as the main runway event on December 14th. So see ya guys! Thank you so much for watching.